Universal leaf marker makes art possible on non-traditional surfaces. This is the world's first Triple D printed rocket motor produced by Relativity Inc. Full thrust, 258 pounds. Tidal lanes dynamically adjust traffic flow. Efficient urban mobility by changing the direction of traffic flow and the number of lanes. DIN similarly has this railroad track change mechanism. The amazing experience of a 5D theater. Realistic flame effects make you feel like the theater is on fire. When the flame dissipates, you can tell that the flame is flat. Maximilian armor was very popular in Europe during the 15th and 16th centuries, and its innovative design, such as compression joints, helped increase the wearer's mobility. This modular manicure can be added or removed as needed. In addition to giving the user more customization and adaptability to various combat situations, the ultrasonic applications in industrial production. An ultrasonic dishwasher works pretty much the same way. The process of making sugar buns with orange caramel filling. Workers are making a green apple flavored candy. These candies are usually in the form of ribbons or strips. It is a snack with a sweet and sour flavor. It tastes like a refreshing bite of a green apple. Does anyone know what plant this is? Are you still hiring? Let's not talk about anything else. Just quite able to pee. Workers use custom molds to draw road markings. This glass polishing technique can effectively treat drivers with astigmatism. Use a powerful vacuum to clean up old dust from your sofa.